Alright, welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today this is Camilla and this is my dad, and today we're going to draw a basket with Easter eggs.
We're going to draw an Easter basket with Easter eggs. Are y'all ready? Make sure you have your paper, and you got to have your Sharpie marker.
And
make
some
sure
color markers.
Yes, and some 5-below markers or some Crayola markers. And this will be a fun little project, alright? And we're going to get started, and it'll be really fun, right?
Yep.
Alrighty. So, the way we're going to do our Easter basket with eggs is, are y'all ready? Alright, basically, we're going to draw a line, write it like in the middle of the paper, right around here, going this way. Wham! Alright. And then, we're going to draw another line like this. Whoa! Leave a little room up there, okay? And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's fun. Okay. Then, we're going to draw basically a line that goes like this. You ready? Okay, that's how we're going to do it. You're going to draw lines like this. Just like that. Okay? And make them all kind of even. There you go. All the way. And you're going to stop right here. And then, you're going to go with another line, come back this way, and then go like this. And that is the rim of your Easter basket. Just like that. Alrighty. And then, right here, you're going to go down. And then you're going to square off a little bit and go up like that. And then come down. And that is the beginning of our Easter basket. Okay? And then to make sure that everybody knows that it's an Easter basket, you got to do these. Okay? These are the little weaves of the Easter basket. Just little lines like that. And just have fun. You don't have to do a lot of them. This is like it's a wooden Easter basket. It's an old Easter basket. There you go. And then you're going to go like this. With this line, you're going to go up, up, up. You can do 3, 4, 5, 6 little lines. It doesn't matter. There you go. Now we have the Easter basket, right? Now we're going to take this line here and double it. Make another line like that. Whoa, and then connect it back over here. And that is the handle for the Easter basket. And then we're going to do little lines like this. Just connect it. Okay? There you go. The old Easter baskets were made out of wood. Just like that. Okay?
I'm going to make my Easter basket new.
Okay. Yep. That's a new Easter basket. Yes. Alright, now we're going to draw right here. We're going to draw kind of fluffy stuff like this. And that is grass. Okay? And then you could draw, you got it? There you go. A little fluffy line. And then you could draw little lines like this. And that kind of represents the grass that's inside the Easter basket. Yeah. Alright, now comes the fun part.
The Easter egg.
That's right. So now we're going to draw one Easter egg like this. Oh my gosh, my marker. Hold on, I need a new marker. This marker is dying. Let's, let me see. Do we have another one? Yeah, we do. Oh, you know what? I'm going to use the 5-below marker. Okay, it's the same thing. So now you're going to create the first Easter egg. So what you can do is start drawing eggs. Alright, and the egg shapes, they're kind of thick at the bottom, and then they go up. But remember, the eggs can go even sideways a little, like this, because they don't have to be perfect. And then they got to overlap. You see that? And then they got to overlap. And then overlap. And then there's more Easter eggs. And then you can make as many Easter eggs as you want, because this is your Easter basket. If you collected a bunch of eggs, and you could just start stacking them. You see that? Whoa, look how many eggs I got. Oh my gosh. And you can fill up the whole basket with eggs. Whoa, look at that. Is that a lot of eggs? Oh my gosh, look, Gami's got a bunch of eggs too. Alright, now that we got the eggs, are you ready? Okay, now we're going to maybe put one egg here, okay? Because we had so many eggs that they fell. And then we'll put another egg right here, because those eggs fell. And then we can put a little grass, just like that, right? See? Okay? And then right here, we can put little grass, like that. That way everybody knows that we were outside and we collected all the Easter eggs. And then we could even put the sun because it's a sunny day and the sun was very happy that we collected all the Easter eggs. Look at that. Oh. Alright. And the sun is out there. You can make the sun. Every time we draw, we can make a different sun. That way you can learn how to make a different sun. You see that? Whoa. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's cool. What do you think, Kami?
Pretty cool. I love it.
Okay. Now we got to figure out how we're going to decorate our Easter basket, right? So our eggs. So one egg, you could do little lines like this. Little swirly lines, okay? Another egg, you could do hearts. See? They don't have to be the same. Another egg, you could do little swivel lines like that. Okay? Go around. And then this one's going to have polka dots. See that? Okay? And then this one's going to have polka dots too. Okay? And this one here, maybe I'll do little lines like this. Okay? See that? And then this one, I'll do a zigzag lines also. And then this one here, maybe more polka dots. And then the other ones, I'm going to leave them plain. This one here, I'm going to do zigzag lines. Oh, there you go. Zigzag lines. And then this one, I'm going to do polka dots. Okay? Just like that. Alright, what do you think? Alright, now it's going to be time to color it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and color it. Okay, so now that we got the colors, the Easter basket, I'm going to do in the BK28, which is like a brown.
I'm going to do it in 94.
Okay, do it. Yeah, it's your Easter basket. Do it however you want. There you go. Okay?
And I'm going to do the top of this handle pink.
Okay, that sounds good.
That way it will look new.
Alright, there you go. Okay, so we're going to do it like that.
And on this, I'm going to do like purple.
Okay.
I'm going to do mine very, very new.
Okay, that's fine. You can do yours new. There you go. Look at that. Alright, now that is my old style Easter basket. It's all brown. And you can make it any color you want. Look at Kami. She's going to do hers in a different color. It's going to be awesome. So if you want to do yours like hers, look at that. Hers is cool. Hers has a lot of color. She's got the colorful Easter basket. Yay. Alright, so now that we have our Easter basket colored, remember, this part right here is the grass. Where's the grass at, Kami?
Right there.
Yeah, and then right here in the Easter basket. You could also do this grass in pink, because I've seen the pink grass that they put in Easter baskets, right?
Yep.
Alright, so you could do this in green, or you could do this in pink. Okay, there you go. And then I'm going to do my grass right here in this color green. That way it represents the grass that's on the ground. There you go. See that? Oh, it's awesome. Look at that. What do you think?
Pretty cool. I love it.
Okay. There you go. Whoa, look at that. It's awesome. Uh-oh, I need to do the sun. I'm going to do the sun and this yellow right here. Well, it's supposed to be yellow, but it doesn't look that yellow. So I'm going to use the Crayola yellow. I still like the Crayola. Wait, oh yeah, we do have a BK17. You are correct, my little one. Oh, there you go. So I'm going to do this one. This is a BK17. And then I'm going to do the rays. Look at that. Yay. Right?
Yeah.
Alright, now I'm going to use the same color for some of my yellows. So I'm going to start doing the yellows now. Yellow polka dots on this one. Look at that.
Look, I made this Easter egg in smiley faces.
Oh, you made smiley faces? That's awesome. That is beautiful. And I'm going to make this one in yellow. And then I'm going to do these polka dots in yellow. And then I'm going to do this one in yellow. Alright, now, oh yeah, look, I could do these squiggly lines also in yellow. Okay, that's awesome. Now we're going to do the pinks. Got to do the pinks. I'll do this one in pink. And this one. Alright. How's yours looking, Kami?
Cool. I love it.
Oh my gosh. Alright. Looks like you're doing a really good job too. And then I'm going to do this one in pink. Uh-oh, look. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of Easter eggs. Are you going to be able to collect that many Easter eggs when Easter comes around?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. There you go. Alright,
Now
now.
I have an Easter egg floating right there.
Oh, it's floating?
Yeah.
It's probably just getting thrown into the basket right now. Alright, so that's the Easter basket here. Okay, and this one I'm going to do in hearts.
I'm going to do that one right there in red.
I'm going to do this one in red. And then I'm going to do this one in red. Okay? Alright, now we need orange. I like orange. Orange is one of my favorite colors.
I like orange too because it is my house color.
Oh my gosh. Okay, and then there you go. Yay! Oh wait, where else can we do orange? I'm going to do orange in here.
I have a lot of Easter eggs coloring.
Oh my gosh, me too. Look, I did too many. Now I gotta color them all in. Oh no, are we gonna be able to finish this? And remember, you could do as many Easter eggs as you want. You don't have to do as many as we have. You can fill out the whole page with Easter eggs. It's your Easter egg basket, right?
Yep. Look, I'm doing a lot of colors on these Easter eggs.
That's very good. You want to do a lot of colors. Because the more colorful it is, the better, okay? There you
Look
go.
at mine. I only have a few Easter eggs left.
Oh my gosh. Alright, well you're catching up to me because I'm almost done. Yay. Alright, so there you go. Look, our Easter egg basket is almost done. And now I'm going to do the light pink on this one here. Oh, what do you think?
Pretty cool. I love it.
Okay, and then I'm going to do this one in a nice pink too. Uh-oh, look at that. Yay. Oh, and then let me see. I'm going to need... Oh, yeah, look. I got a sky blue. I could do the little sky...
There, I'm done.
You're done. Oh, my gosh. You're so fast. All right. Well, let me finish my two last ones, and we are going to be done. All right, everybody. What do y'all think? Oh, it looks good, huh? All right. All right, friends. We are done with our Easter egg basket. What do y'all think? That's a lot of Easter eggs, Gummy. I think you got more than me. Whoa. All right. Well, guys, I hope that this video will help you make an awesome Easter egg basket with different colored eggs, right?
Yep.
All right. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like, and
Notification bell.
And thanks for watching, everybody. And make sure to subscribe. That way you don't miss the next video. Be good.
Bye.